everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this lovely package I received from Gog Magog Gifts. This is the Capybara Pick and Pop Putty. Inside the tub is a squishy and stretchy putty mixed with adorable capybara themed charms. This sensory toy is like a reusable picky pad. You simply pick out the charms from the putty and it makes a satisfying popping sound. Once you've popped out all the pieces, you can add them back into the putty and start the fun all over again. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!